Here is a quick tutorial on how to work with long pile fur when embroidering. Once you have done your applique step, use something small like tiny scissors or tweezers to pull the long pile fur back out of the stitches. Make sure that you hold with your other hand the remaining fur so you don't accidentally pull your project out of your hoop. Next, grab your applique scissors and start trimming around the outside of your stitches. You want to make sure that you're trimming close enough to the stitches, but not cutting into the stitches.